CNC machines, short for Computer Numerical Control machines, are the backbone of modern manufacturing. From tiny electronic components to massive aerospace parts, CNC technology allows industries to produce complex items with speed, accuracy, and consistency that would be impossible by hand. At its core, a CNC machine is controlled by a computer program. Instead of manually operating tools, engineers create a digital design using CAD software. That design is then converted into a set of instructions known as G-code, which tells the machine exactly how to move, how fast to cut, and how deep to go. The result is a perfectly repeated process every single time. There are several types of CNC machines, each designed for specific tasks. CNC milling machines are used to cut and shape solid materials using rotating tools. CNC lathes work by spinning the material itself, making them ideal for round or cylindrical parts. CNC routers are commonly used for wood, plastics, and soft metals, while laser, plasma, and water jet CNC machines are used to cut flat sheet materials with extreme precision. One of the greatest advantages of CNC machining is accuracy. These machines can work with tolerances as small as a few microns, making them essential for industries like aerospace, automotive manufacturing, and medical device production. CNC machines also improve efficiency. Once programmed, they can run continuously with minimal supervision, reducing production time and human error. CNC machines can work with a wide range of materials, including aluminum, steel, brass, plastics, wood, foam, and composites. This flexibility makes them valuable across many industries, from mass production to custom prototyping. Leading manufacturers such as Haas Automation, DMG Mori, and Mazak continue to push the boundaries of CNC technology.